Have you ever thought about possibly flipping real estate? Now, it's kind of a secret of mine or something that I just don't talk a lot about. Helping people find their dream home and sell their existing one is what I do all day long and what I love most. My hobby alongside of that has been flipping real estate. And it's something I started about 14 years ago. Over the last 14 years, I've been privileged to be a part of about 50 projects where we find a fixer upper, renovate it, and then put it back on the market and sell it. And so that's something that now, for some reason, I've waited this long. I feel like I'm ready to share it with you. If you want to follow the journey and kind of go through the different phases and get to see some videos that we make about how to find fixer-uppers, find the great people to renovate them, how to finance them, and resell them, send me a message. I'd love to know that you want to hear about it. And then I'll go ahead and include you on the next video email series about how to fix up and sell properties successfully. Anyways, whether or not you're looking to invest, or even if you just want to see the ugly before and after photos for entertainment, send me a message. I'd love to hear from you, or give me a call. Let's talk soon.